Well, no, I can definitely kind of wash it. So we can either leave boxes out there. And
I'm doing a bit of the vlogging type thing, so don't mind me. It's going to be sort of obnoxious sometimes. So
I love it. That's why we're here.
Alright, so putting some finishing touch now to the party that's going to begin in about 15 minutes. Oh my god. Hi, my name is Gerard Ungerman. I'm the co-founder and producer of the Respectful Revolution project. We are based in Chico, California. Many of you are already familiar with the project and are following us on YouTube in particular. Tonight is a particular night. Tonight is a fundraiser night for the project, and we are doing it in a particular place in the Honda of Chico. And this particular place is HONDA Motorsports. Honda is not our sponsor yet. I'm not even riding a Honda to travel around the country. I'm still using a Harley-Davidson Sportster. But Honda is really a company concerned with doing whatever they can to make things better, especially in the developing world. They have programs to help with education, with sanitation, with safety, public safety, especially on the road, of course. And here in the West and in the world in general, Honda does a lot to manufacture extremely fuel-efficient engines, extremely economical engines, and it's something that personally we want to be behind. And when I'm on the road, crisscrossing the US on my bike, I definitely would rather have an engine that gives me 60-70 miles per gallon than having a guzzler that gives me barely 40 miles per gallon. So that's the idea. Here we're starting to walk a bit the road of sponsorship, and so tonight a couple of companies that are helping us are Great Basin Brewery out of Reno, Nevada, and one is Sierra Nevada out of our hometown of Chico. And so here are some of the beers that they gave us very generously. Tonight we are showing 3 videos which are beer related, and one is about this lady, Karen McNamara, who started a company in Reno to collect and reuse beer bottles. So tonight we're going to do just that. We're going to try to convince our audience to bring back their bottles after they've finished using them so that they can be cleaned and refilled. Alright, the crowd is slowly starting to arrive. Part of our fundraising strategy involves raffle items, and we have some really nice piece of art offered by friends from the community here in Chico.
Wonderful, that's so beautiful.
And he told me, that I ought to not let you just walk on me. And I'm sure that he meant well. Yeah, but when our talk was through, yeah. I wanna spread the news that if it feels it's good getting used, you just to keep on using me, until you use me up. Till you use me up.
Hey everyone, we're about to start the video portion of our evening. If you want to come into the theater and find a seat. By the way, I'm Stacey Wear, and this is Gerard Ungerman, and we are the Respectful Revolution project. I probably should have started with that. And yeah, we have some people to thank for making this happen. The Chico Peace and Justice Center. They provided the insurance that we needed to get the liquor license to be able to sell beer and wine tonight, and that is a huge help for us. Gabe and the whole team at Chico HONDA Motorsports, I mean, you guys, he's let us just do whatever we want in this in this warehouse, and he's been so chill and easy to work with and so generous with us. Gabe, thank you so much. So when he says the part about seeing the waste and having to do something, like that's the thing that we're looking for in the portraits that we do for Respectful Revolution. It's that somebody seeing a problem and wanting to do something about it. Not for themselves, but for the greater good. So we just saw the story. But I would love it if you could just reiterate a little bit about the numbers that you laid out for us in that story, because the numbers, when you start paying attention, are staggering how much glass is out there in the waste stream.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and so much appreciation for Gerard and Stacey for finding Conscious Container and helping to bring this story to light. And
this is our final video. This is our premiere of Ken Grossman, Respectful Revolutionary of Sierra Nevada. Hi, we're Stacey and Gerard from the Respectful Revolution Project, and we're bringing you a story today from our own hometown of Chico, California. And we're super excited to bring you this story today on a man who could be described as an alchemist, a tinkerer, an entrepreneurial guru, and in many circles, a legend.
Hi, I'm Ken Grossman. I founded Sierra Nevada in 1980 in order to brew incredible beers and hopefully make people happy.
Ken Grossman. So here's a guy who in the beginning started by brewing 800 barrels of beer the first year and dreamed of the day that they could increase that to 3,500. Today, Sierra Nevada has 2 breweries and brews over 1 million barrels of craft beer every year. This is a story of sustainability, innovation, and most of all, integrity. But first, a little history.
My business background, I had started out in high school actually working in bicycle shops, and I ended up managing a bicycle shop over in Orville for a local family here, the Pullins family. I then decided to open a homebrew supply store in the mid-1970s, 1976. And I didn't really write a business plan for that business. I just put together what I thought was budget and then opened up that business with $3,000, I think, in 1976. So I had a little bit of business experience, both running the bike shop as well as opening my homebrew shop.
Is this song? Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching that. We had a really lot of fun making that. I only drank half a beer. So, Gerard, would you like to speak about what's next for Respectful Revolution?
This year is going to be an interesting year for us in the sense that we are going to evolve a bit, how we do things. We need to have more viewership online, especially on YouTube, because that's how you'll be engaged, now, especially when you look for sponsors. And because I travel on a motorcycle, it's my absolute passion, and also it's a way to, transform any trip into an adventure and make it also in a way as to save resources, gasoline and money in particular. Every manufacturer of motorcycles in particular nowadays is concerned with the fact that the younger crowds, the millennials, many are not into anything outdoors, Motorcycling is naturally on their radar. And so they lack the idea to combine sustainability, caring for the world, and motorcycling. They just want to see more viewership on our YouTube channel in particular. And so that's where you guys can help. You can help just by watching more of our videos. We have plenty of fantastic heroes to meet on our YouTube channel, Respectful Revolution. And also we are going to change a bit how we do videos. We are starting to introduce ourselves because people like to follow people, you know, a person, a couple, you know, they develop like a virtual friendship almost by following them, you know, and it creates loyalty on YouTube, very important. And also we're gonna do something that's a bit different. We're gonna also feature a particular quest in a trip, raising a question around a popular topic, and then go on this quest, either the two of us or sometimes me alone on the bike, to try to hook an audience to watching a vlog episode regularly, maybe once a week when I'm on the road or something, to develop, you know, viewership. So that's going to be one of the big changes, you know, this year, vlog episodes on YouTube and developing maybe some feature-length documentaries, hopefully with a sponsor.
It's a way that we'll be able to make a living, hopefully, and continue to do this kind of thing for free as well, which is what we've been doing for the last 6 years, but Mama needs a new pair of shoes. No, I'm just kidding. We need to make a living, and we would love to make a living doing Respectful Revolution.
Whoa, but I just can't decide. You're stuck between the depths of my pits and peaks of my pride. Baby, I've seen it all before now. Baby, I've seen it all before. Well, I've seen it all now. I've seen it all before. I ain't gonna be a fool anymore.
All right, that's the end of a pretty busy evening. I think we pretty made our goals. It's time to have a little drink and relax.
I've seen your tricks now, I've seen your trade up. And I've seen your evil ways. And I've seen everything. Twisted smile. Baby, I've seen it all before.
We are having a Ridge River party. It's excellent, and I think we're going to be able to raise quite a bit of funds for the project. So yeah, you know, here we are at Honda, and I'm going to check a bit to the showroom and see. I think there's some kids inside and having fun looking at the bikes. That's the whole idea.
I ain't gonna be a fool.
I think that's a bad idea. Because I'm having some build here.
All right, so here's Honda showroom.
There's also
Nice.
another one I want.
Nice toy store.
Oh yeah, Captain
I know.
I ain't gonna be a fool, baby. I ain't gonna be a fool, baby. I ain't gonna be a fool, baby. I ain't gonna be a fool, yeah. Not anymore, da da da. Ba 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 da 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 da. Da 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 da.